Hi, today in front of me REALME C17 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first open the Play Store application because unfortunately we have not installed by default the AOD option. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge App and here tap the install button now. Then just tap to open the app, click to draw over apps, and here near Muviz Edge click on the switcher, then just go back, and here switch edge lights to AOD, select one from the available tabs and tap to apply. Now just let's lock the device. And we could see that the AOD option successfully enabled. So, just turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.